today I want to discuss an event that was really important for my career development, which was when I started business hopping around venues to look for clients. This is one of the approaches that I started doing to get some clients and referrals, and it's just basically being a salesman, selling your job and being out there in each venue to help promote your business. And what is better than that? You could do email marketing or social media and Instagram texts, but this is one of the approaches that I like to take because it's face-to-face. So I went to Sage Beauty, a shop that was just literally next to my place, and it's about beauty and health. And another thing about this episode is this is where I want my niche to be at. At the beginning, I was a little more party animal, but not anymore. And I decided to make it into the wellness and health industry. That made me really interested in making videos and content for places that do skincare, skin treatments, aromatherapy, acupuncture, and also fitness. Anything that is related to fitness, like gyms. So we will leave behind all of the boats, parties, and all of that. And that's why I went to this shop. It provided me peace, and I did a yoga certificate 3 years ago. So I really want to chase back those feelings of wholesomeness and peace, and making videos for this kind of companies, it's just the best approach. Now we are coming back to where I started doing the shoot. So I went to the place through Sage Beauty, the venue, and it's a beautiful wellness venue that offers a variety of services such as skin treatments, health, homeopathic massages, and also infrared sauna. And it has a lovely vibe. Like, I really was there full of these energies. I just love to work in places like this. So that's why I would actually love to work in the wellness industry, because it's really nice. So I got in contact with them, we set up the day, and I brought my equipment. On the day, I went through the different spaces and I checked for the shoots. Wherever there was like a backdrop or like a wall with something really nice to showcase, I went there, and then I took notes of how I'm gonna make the shots and everything. But prior to the shoot, I did know where the products that they were selling were. So I did had a look through it, and I made a bit of a shot list on my head on how to present them better. And then of course I wanted to know the color palette. So in this case we had I actually knew beforehand that they had this green backdrop. So I got another green base, like a carton base to put below the products, and so I could showcase with a beautiful color palette all these moisturizers, serums, and all of those beauty products that I wanted to showcase. And then at the end I also did the skin treatment that they wanted to showcase for their social media, and an eyelash extension. And those treatments, I've never even seen them how to do before, but it was really rewarding to see the end product. So I was really pleased to work with them, and they were really pleased to work with me. As a free collaboration, I'm pretty sure that they had a good time. So I just want to let you know, guys, go out there and sell yourself as a business entrepreneur that is not afraid to give a freebie just once, and then for building the portfolio, because if you build the portfolio, they just got me some other referrals. So you could end up getting so many clients by doing this free marketing, and also helping your portfolio to grow, and as I said, also to help me go into this niche of wellness and health that I want to do. And if you found this video helpful, please help me liking it and give a subscribe. If you want to get more tips about how to make your business and launch your career on the video industry, keep watching these videos and I'll give you a hand with all of these tips.